So just to go through this again, Emily, you've asked me how to consolidate files. First thing I'm going to do is make sure that all of these tracks, select all of the tracks that you want to deal with. And we're going to make sure that they are already all on output 1, but usually they're on a stereo output. So we're going to change them all, make sure that they're changed to a mono output, because we only want to bounce these tracks in mono. And then I'm going to go to File, Bounce, File, Bounce, and Replace all tracks. It says to save. We're going to make sure that bypass effect plugins is ticked, because we don't want that, and we don't want to include any volume or pan automation. And that will be done. And then we're going to go up to here, this little sort of musical file icon, the browser's icon, and open this, and we're going to go to Edit, select Unused, which will select all the files that we're not using, that are not here. Press the Delete button, and then you're left with the files that you want. Now we can select all the vocal files there, right-click, copy convert files, and then just create a new folder and put them wherever you want. And that's all exported. Ta-da!